Hey everybody, still rolling here. Today I'm going to install a steering dampener on a Kaabo Wolf King, and I'm actually amazed. It did not come with any directions or any kind of explanation on how to install it. It was just the hardware, the steering dampener, and it was all in a plastic bag. I purchased it from Bora Motors. It's really surprising, but I was able to figure it out, a couple trial and errors. This video isn't the best. I wasn't able to explain very much, so I hope you get a visual on kind of how it's set up. It's pretty straightforward, but I just wanted to show you guys what I did, and hopefully it helps you out and leads you in the right direction. Thank you for watching. I'm going to go ahead and remove this box to get it out of my way. I possibly might have to remove this little rubber mud guard that I have here, so I'm going to go ahead and loosen these off with a 11mm. Now that that's out of my way, scoop my clamps that are in there a little out of the way. Ready? So I'm going to remove my little mud cover that I made. I cut that out as a mud flap. Just cut out the shape, the design, and covered that front part to cover my feet from the rain. It rains a lot where I live. So it's looking like this clamps on the headset. Looks like it actually goes just like that. So I put in the smallest bolts that came with the kit, very small ones. A nut and bolt goes on each side to clamp this clamp around the headset. These look like Loctite, nylon Loctite nuts, so they didn't come with lock washers, which is okay. Okay, those are started. And this clamp, I assume that it goes on the shock right here. Like so. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that a try. I just can't believe that they didn't send any directions on how to install this. My plan is to just get it all together loose and then adjust it where I want it, and I'll tighten everything up. These are really small nuts to work with. This kit cost me a total of $125 was the total from Bora Motors, which was actually a pretty good deal. Looking at AliExpress and Alibaba, it was right around the same price. It would probably take months to get here. I'm still waiting on some stuff from there just to see how long it would take. It's kind of an experiment to purchase from them. So it seems like this piece here would slide onto here and tightens on there with an Allen. And the Allen size that I'm using is a 4. So I'm just gonna kind of slowly just kind of give that some room to play. I have a remaining of 2 bolts and a spacer. So I gotta figure this out. It appears that looks like I got it right. I'm gonna put the head side down and nut on the bottom. Hey everybody, I hope that helped you out. Ride safe out there, like and subscribe, and I appreciate you watching this video. Cheers.